Welcome! In front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR Monroe, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First, we need to press the middle button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, use the lower or upper buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the settings icon and then press the middle button to enter. In settings, find the vibration option. So again, use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the vibration option, this one. As you can see, it says strong right here. If you want to change the vibration intensity level, simply press the middle button. This one is off, mild, medium, and strong. Select the one you like, and once you're done, you can scroll to the back button, press the middle button to go back, then select home and press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.